Hey, I'm Kyle McCaw with McCaw Property Management. If you own a house in Frisco and you've ever wondered what it would actually rent for, I just pulled the real numbers, not an estimator guess, actual MLS data on every single family rental that leased in Frisco over the last 30 days. Here's the headline. The median Frisco home leased for $29.90 a month in 28 days at 100% of asking price. Read that last part again. The typical home isn't renting near asking, it's renting at asking. 6 out of 10 closed at or above their list price. That tells you everything you need to know. This is not a soft market. It rewards landlords who price it right, and it punishes the ones who guess high. A couple of things surprised even me. Bigger is not faster. The quickest leasing homes were 2,500 to 3,000 square feet, gone in about 19 days. The really big homes, over 3,500 feet, took almost twice as long. And here's the one nobody talks about. Frisco isn't one rental market. It's four different zip codes that all behave differently. Same city, totally different rent and timing. If you want to know what your Frisco home should rent for, the real number in your neighborhood, that's what we do every day. Reach out anytime. I run this report every month. Follow along and I'll keep the data coming.